So, if you want to fix your Outlook search bar not working here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to check your settings. Now, typically, if you're searching for something, like for example, you're searching for certain items or emails that does not appear on your search here, well, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just click on the file option at the top left and go to settings. Now, under settings, you want to go to general here, and first stop here is going to be your search. Now, in here, you want to go and guarantee that the following options are enabled. So, for the search result here, you want to include the following. Now, you can go and include deleted items here, and also show top 7 most relevant results here. Now, if you don't include the show top 7 most relevant results here, well, your search may not be that accurate, so go ahead and include that. And also, you can go and just choose your search scope here. Now, is the search bar going to search everything from your inbox or all folders or only the current folder here? So specify that as well. Now, in here at the left side, you want to go to offline as well. Now, on offline, you want to go and just choose the days of email to save here, and you want to go and just choose longer days here. So just in case, like if you can't find emails or you can't search them in your account here, well, increasing the days can actually help a lot. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.